Legion Go was already a solid step forward in handheld gaming. It had a great display, solid performance, and the freedom of a full Windows experience. But it wasn't perfect. Battery life could have been better, and Windows isn't exactly built for handhelds. Now, the Legion Go 2 is on the horizon, and it looks like it's going to fix a lot of what held the first one back. Better battery, improved performance, and hopefully, a more refined software experience. And this isn't just about one device. Handheld gaming as a whole is evolving fast, and it's starting to look like a real alternative to traditional consoles for couch gaming. For years, gaming has been split between consoles, PCs, and handhelds, with consoles being the go-to for their simple plug-and-play approach and couch gaming. But at least for couch gaming, that's starting to change. Devices like the Steam Deck and Legion Go are proving that handhelds aren't just for portability. They have potential as replacements for home consoles. Think about it. With a handheld, you get the same games, maybe a slightly lower performance, but the ability to play wherever you want. And when you're home, just dock it, grab a controller, and it's a console. In the case of Legion Go and Legion Go 2, you can even skip getting a separate controller. Consoles have always been the affordable way to game. The PlayStation 5 launched at $500, but newer models and accessories keep pushing that cost up with minimal improvements. Then there's the game pricing, $70 for a new release with no guarantee of backwards compatibility. Meanwhile, the first Legion Go was a bit of a niche product, but the Legion Go 2 is shaping up to be a proper competitor. More power-efficient hardware, better software optimization, and if companies start adopting Linux-based operating systems like SteamOS, we might finally get away from Windows bloat, slowing everything down. The pricing is higher, but you're not stuck with one store or forced to pay for online multiplayer. You can use Steam, Xbox Game Pass, emulators, and whatever launcher you prefer. Maybe buy something budget-friendly like a Steam Deck at first, and when you have a little more budget, get an eGPU for it. You can even play your decades-old games on it, all while only sacrificing a little performance when playing portably and the simplicity of plug and play, for now that is. In future, these issues may not even matter. It's not like consoles will disappear overnight, but the way things are going, the idea of being locked into a traditional console is starting to feel outdated. People want flexibility, they want options, and handhelds are delivering that in a way that consoles just can't right now. Imagine this, you're at your friend's place, sitting side by side, playing co-op in your favorite MMO on your handheld. After a long session, you head home, place your handheld on the dock, and with a single press of a button on your controller, both your TV and handheld power up instantly, just like a console. Your Steam and Epic libraries are right there, ready to go. Maybe you feel like revisiting a PS3 classic or diving into something new. This is what I think the future of couch gaming will be. A future where gaming blends the portability of a handheld, the simplicity of a console, and the versatility of a PC, all in one device. Maybe this will not happen anytime soon, but a man can dream.